Tired of boring lamps? Today we are making a futuristic cyberpunk-inspired lamp that's simple to build and seriously upgrades your vibe. This video is sponsored by LTM, more on them later. It all started when I found these old steel rods in my junk pile. I have saved them a long time ago. Well, today's the day they finally get a new life. I designed a beautiful lamp using these rods and I'm excited to see how it turns out. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into the printing. Removing prints from the build plate, easily my favorite part, and you already know why. Just look at all these parts, so clean and pretty. I can't hold myself back any longer, so let's assemble this thing. This lamp has three main parts. We are assembling the tilt mechanism first. Okay, the tilt mechanism is complete, and next up we have the LED unit. This is also ready. Now it's time to assemble the final piece, the base of the lamp. First, slide this part into place. Next, we need to add some weight to stabilize it. To do this, I will fill this part with cement. It's a bit of a messy process, so I did it off camera. I have included a full recipe in the description. If you would like, you can check it out. Now it feels nice and heavy. Let's place it on the plate. And there we have it. All the main three parts are complete. Next, we'll work on the rods. We need two rods, each 9 inches long, but the ones we have are a bit too long. I grabbed my measuring tape, marked the length, and used my antique angle grinder and cut them down to the size. Alright, here we have the rods. So let's begin with the final assembly. Alright guys, the lamp is ready, well almost, minus the electronics, but doesn't it look awesome? The only thing left is installing the light, but before moving any further, let's talk about today's sponsor, LTM. If you are into electronic design like me, you need to check out LTM Designer. It's an industry-leading PCB design software that brings your circuit to life with powerful tools. But the real game changer, LTM 365. It connects your entire workflow to the cloud, so you can collaborate with your friends, access your design from anywhere, and even share progress with clients in real time. No back and forth email or lost files. Whether you are a hobbyist, a student, or a pro, LTM Designer paired with LTM 365 makes PCB design smarter, faster, and way more fun. Check out the link in the description to start your free trial and 25% off. Coming back to the video, I'm using this 3-watt COB LED. We'll need to make a few tweaks to get it fitted properly. First, let's remove these clamps, we don't need them. We'll have to swap out the wire, it's a bit too short for our setup. Let's get that sorted. Alright guys, the LED is all set. I have removed the driver since we are going to install it in the base. Now let's go ahead and get everything installed into the lamp. It's time to handle a wiring connection, and here are the wiring diagram in case you are curious or just want to follow along. Finally, the lamp is officially complete. Just look how sleek and futuristic it turned out. I tried to blend aesthetics with functionality and I think results really stands out. I'm super curious to hear what do you think, let me know in the comments. As you can see, it works, and it works just like any other desk lamp. Personally, I'll be using mine for mostly electronics project, a little bit of reading books just for the video and more. Plus it has this great feature, you can adjust it exactly how you want for the perfect lighting angle, and that's it for this video guys. Make sure to print the parts with threaded bolts horizontally like this, otherwise these parts will break off while tightening. You might end up with results like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop a comment, like, subscribe and stay tuned for more DIY fun. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.